Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to cancel subscriptions with Emma. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to simply cancel your subscriptions with Emma, all you can do is simply open your Emma app and go to main dashboard, and from there you can simply go to change plan and select a basic plan to downgrade your service. However, if you want to simply cancel it by the help of your App Store or Play Store, you can simply go to your App Store or Play Store and tap on your profile on the top right corner and then go to payments and subscriptions. Now simply tap on subscriptions, and if you have any subscriptions, like if you have an Emma subscription, it will arrive in this screen. So as you can see it, you can find the cancel button right over there. So you can simply tap the cancel button right below the name of that particular app. So once you cancel it, you will be able to simply cancel the subscription of Emma. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.